Utah CDL practice test with 50 general knowledge questions. If you experience a tire failure, do not A. Apply the brakes as hard as you can. B. Stay off the brake unless you're about to run into something. C. When the vehicle has slowed down, brake very gently, pull off the road, and stop. D. Hold the steering wheel firmly. And the answer is A. Apply the brakes as hard as you can. The minimum number of mirrors a registered vehicle must have is A. 3, B. 2, C. 1, D. 4. And the answer is B. 2. Which of the following statements about cargo needing special attention is true? A. Overweight loads do not require special transit permits during daylight hours. B. Dry bulk tanks require special care because they have a high center of gravity. C. Hanging meat in a refrigerated truck is a very stable load with a low center of gravity. D. All of the above. And the answer is B. Dry bulk tanks require special care because they have a high center of gravity. Which of the following is not a reason for covering cargo? A. To protect the cargo from weather. B. To prevent other drivers from looking at the cargo. C. To protect people from spilled cargo. D. All of the above. And the answer is B. To prevent other drivers from looking at the cargo. Which of the following statements about fatigued or drowsy driving is true? A. Most people are less alert between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. B. Fatigued drivers may be slower in making critical decisions. C. Fatigued drivers are usually more alert because they are aware risk of being involved in an accident is higher. D. All of the above. And the answer is B. Fatigued drivers may be slower in making critical decisions. The two ways of knowing when to shift are A. Following distance and traffic speed. B. Engine speed and road speed. C. Oil pressure and road conditions. D. Weather and road conditions. And the answer is B. Engine speed and road speed. The use of brakes on a steep downgrade is A. Dangerous and should be avoided at all costs. B. Much more effective than the engine braking effect. C. A supplement to the braking effect of the engine. D. The main braking factor. And the answer is C. A supplement to the braking effect of the engine. When parked on the side of the road, you should A. Use the four-way emergency flashers. B. Turn off all lights. C. Activate the right turn signal. D. Flash your brake lights. And the answer is A. Use the four-way emergency flashers. Key suspension system parts include A. Lock rings. B. Tie rod. C. Bearing plates. D. All of the above. And the answer is C. Bearing plates. If you hear a loud bang and the steering feels heavy, you should A. Brake hard and pull off the road. B. Check your rearview mirrors to see if you have a flat tire. C. Hold the steering wheel firmly and stay off the brake. D. Pump the brakes until the vehicle has slowed down. And the answer is C. Hold the steering wheel firmly and stay off the brake. Is the act of operating a motor vehicle in a selfish, bold, or pushy manner, without regard for the rights or safety of others? A. Aggressive driving. B. Distracted driving. C. Road rage. D. Defensive driving. And the answer is A. Aggressive driving. Who is responsible for making sure the lights and reflectors are clean? A. The maintenance staff. B. The driver. C. The previous driver. D. The shipper. And the answer is B. The driver. When making a turn, you should turn off your turn signal. A. To keep others from trying to pass you. B. Before entering the turn. C. After you've turned. D. During the turn. And the answer is C. After you've turned. Blocking is used to A. Brake as you always have. B. Apply the trailer handbrake WHE braking. C. Pump the brakes. D. Always apply the brakes hard. And the answer is A. Brake as you always have. The most common cause of skidding is A. Surface water. B. Spilled oil. C. Driving too fast for conditions. D. Black ice. And the answer is C. Driving too fast for conditions. When using your turn signals, you should A. Turn the signal off before you turn. B. Signal only if vehicles are in front of you. C. Signal only if vehicles are behind you. D. Signal well before you turn. And the answer is D. Signal well before you turn. The minimum tire tread depth for all tires other than front tires is A. 1/32 inch. B. 6/32 inch. C. 4/32 inch. D. 2/32 inch. And the answer is D. 2/32 inch. Which of the following is not a good rule for using turn signals? A. Cancel your signal after you have turned. B. Signal well before you turn. C. Put your turn signal on after the turn. D. Signal continuously until you have completed the turn. And the answer is C. Put your turn signal on after the turn. One way to prevent hydroplaning is to A. Take curves at higher speeds. B. Make sure you have enough tread on your tires. C. Have less than 4/32 inch tread depth in every major groove on front tires. D. Use the controlled braking method. And the answer is B. Make sure you have enough tread on your tires. Containerized loads A. Are generally used for freight carried part way by rail or ship. B. Should exceed gross weight and axle weight limits. C. Must be inspected before and after the trip. D. All of the above. And the answer is A. Are generally used for freight carried part way by rail or ship. Which of these is not something you should check during the pre-trip inspection of the engine compartment? A. Engine oil level. B. Worn electrical wiring insulation. C. Brake controls. D. Coolant level and radiator. And the answer is C. Brake controls. In the event of brake failure, you should not A. Pump the brakes. B. Downshift. C. Shift up. D. Use the parking brake. And the answer is C. Shift up. A hazard is A. Something you must stop for. B. A dangerous material. C. Any road user or road condition that is a possible danger. D. Something you can easily avoid. And the answer is C. Any road user or road condition that is a possible danger. Brakes out of adjustment can cause the other brakes to A. Overheat and fade. B. Last longer. C. Apply more braking power. D. Work better. And the answer is A. Overheat and fade. If the road is icy, you should A. Reduce speed to a crawl and stop driving as soon as you can safely do so. B. Maintain your current speed and stop driving as soon as you can safely do so. C. Put the transmission in neutral and stay off the brake until the vehicle has slowed down, then pull off the road and stop. D. All of the above. And the answer is A. Reduce speed to a crawl and stop driving as soon as you can safely do so. Glad hands are A. Warning devices. B. Electronic devices. C. Coupling devices. D. Securement devices. And the answer is C. Coupling devices. You should reject a vehicle until which of the following gets rectified? A. Faulty windshield wipers. B. Faulty headlights. C. Faulty flashers. D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. If the engine catches fire, you should A. Avoid shooting foam from the vehicle's underside. B. Open the hood as soon as you can. C. Pull into a service station and notify the emergency services. D. Turn off the engine as soon as you can. And the answer is D. Turn off the engine as soon as you can. Unless accepted, shipping papers must list A. The address of the driver. B. A proper description of the truck. C. The colors of the materials. D. An emergency response telephone number. And the answer is D. An emergency response telephone number. Having ABS on only the trailer. A. Still gives you more control over your vehicle during braking. B. Is very dangerous. C. Makes the trailer more likely to swing out. D. Makes the trailer more likely to roll over. And the answer is A. Still gives you more control over your vehicle during braking. During your pre-trip inspection, you should check A. Tire tread depth. B. Warning flashers. C. Windshield wipers. D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. Whenever you back up with a trailer, position your vehicle so you can back in a straight line. If you must back on a curved path, back toward A. Either side. B. The driver's side. C. The right side. D. Neither side. Do not back. And the answer is B. The driver's side. To back safely, you should not A. Use a helper whenever possible. B. Back as slowly as possible and use the lowest reverse gear. C. Look at your line of travel before you begin backing. D. Back to the right side whenever possible. And the answer is D. Back to the right side whenever possible. Your safety equipment must include A. A properly charged and rated fire extinguisher. B. A dimmer switch. C. Spare electrical fuses, only if your vehicle is equipped with circuit breakers. D. An interaxle differential lock. And the answer is A. Properly charged and rated fire extinguisher. If you've been drinking alcohol, only will sober you up. A. Black coffee. B. A cold shower. C. Time. D. Exercise. And the answer is C. Time. Activities inside the vehicle that can distract your attention include A. Picking up something that fell. B. Talking to passengers. C. Adjusting the radio. D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. If your trailer starts to skid, you should A. Pump the brakes. B. Release the brakes. C. Lock the brakes. D. Steer in the opposite direction. And the answer is B. Release the brakes. When driving on wet roads, you should reduce your speed by about A. 1/5. B. 1/2. C. 1/4. D. 1/3. And the answer is D. 1/3. During the after-trip inspection, if you notice anything affecting safety or potentially leading to a mechanical breakdown, you should A. Make a written report. B. Tell the shipper to make a written report. C. Try to fix the problem yourself. D. Ask the motor carrier to make a written report. And the answer is A. Make a written report. To prevent drowsiness, you should A. Drive at night. B. Drive with a passenger. C. Eat frequently. D. Keep the cab warm. And the answer is B. Drive with a passenger. It is illegal to drive a commercial motor vehicle with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, of % or more. A. 0.04. B. 0.8. C. 0.08. D. 0.02. And the answer is A. 0.04. Before entering a curve, drivers should A. Speed up. B. Drive on the shoulder. C. Put the transmission in neutral. D. Downshift to the right gear. And the answer is D. Downshift to the right gear. When checking the engine compartment in a vehicle inspection, you should check all of the following except A. Shock absorbers. B. Coolant level and radiator. C. Engine oil level. D. Windshield washer fluid level. And the answer is A. Shock absorbers. What is the most important reason for doing a vehicle inspection? A. Safety for yourself and for other road users. B. It's required by law. C. To avoid fines. D. Liability insurance. And the answer is A. Safety for yourself and for other road users. The emergency equipment must include A. Charged and rated fire extinguisher. B. 3 red reflective triangles. C. Electrical fuses. D. All of the above. And the answer is D. All of the above. Eating while driving is A. A good way to prevent drowsiness and maintain alertness. B. A source of distraction. C. A way to be more productive. D. Mandatory when driving alone. And the answer is B. A source of distraction. When should you turn the retarder off? A. When the cargo is heavy. B. When the road is slippery. C. When your vehicle has a high center of gravity. D. When the cargo is prone to shifting. And the answer is B. When the road is slippery. If confronted by an aggressive driver, you should A. React to gestures. B. Try to stay in front of them. C. Ignore gestures. D. Make gestures. And the answer is C. Ignore gestures. To prevent rolling back when you start, if you have a manual transmission, you should A. Use the lowest reverse gear. B. Never the parking brake. C. Over-accelerate. D. Partly engage the clutch before you take your right foot off the brake. And the answer is D. Partly engage the clutch before you take your right foot off the brake. Which of the following is not a type of retarder? A. Electric. B. Hydraulic. C. Anti-lock. D. Engine. And the answer is C. Anti-lock.